In this question, it is given that in a city school, all class 12 students have mathematics and biology as their main subjects, apart from three other subjects which include one language. The school conducted pre-board examination for class 12. In the examination, it is observed that 30% of the students failed in bio. So if we consider B is an event in which B is the event of students failing in biology. So P of B, probability of B is given 30%, 30 by 100 we can suppose. Then 25 failed in maths. So that means P of M we can consider 25%, and 12% failed in both. Both means B intersection M is given 12%. As a student is selected at random from the school, then find the probability that selected student has failed in bio if it is known that he has failed in maths. So this is the question of the conditional probability. So what we should find here, probability of failing in bio given that failed in maths, which is given by the formula P of B intersection M divided by P of N. Okay, and both these values are given to us, 12% and P of M is 25%. So in percentage form options are given. So if we write in percentage form, it will be 48 by 100 means 48%. So option C is correct. Next question is the probability that selected student has failed in maths. If it is known that he has failed in bio, again it is a question of conditional probability. It is known that he has failed in bio. So probability of failing in failing in maths, given that he has failed in bio, it is given by the same formula B intersection M, but this time divide by P of B. So this is 12%, P of B is 30%. So if we simplify this, we will get 2 by 5. Okay, and to convert this into percentage form, we will multiply and divide by 20. So 40 by 100, that is 40% is the answer, which is option B. Question 3 is probability that selected student has failed in at least one of the two subject. At least one of the two subject means either bio or maths. Okay, that means it is B union M. So we should find B probability of B union M. So we will use the formula here, P of B plus P of M minus P of B intersection M. So 30 plus 25 minus 12, which will be 55 minus 12, which is 43. So I am writing in percentage form because it is given in percentage only. Options are given in percentage only. Okay, so final answer is 43%. Question number 4 is find the probability that the selected student has passed in at least one of the two subjects. Now, whatever probability is given to us, it is probability of failing in that particular subject. So we have supposed B event as fail in bio and maths event as fail in maths, isn't it? So if I'll take complement, B complement will be pass in bio and M complement will be pass in maths. So we have to find probability that student has passed in at least one of the two subjects. Means either he passed in bio or he passed in maths. Okay, so passed means B complement and M complement we should consider. That means probability of B complement union M complement we should find. Okay, and if you remember the De Morgan's law, for a set A and B, for set A and B, A complement union B complement can be written as A intersection B whole complement. This is the first law. Second law also, A complement intersection B complement is given by A union B complement. But in our case, we will be using this one. Okay. So we can write this as P of B intersection M whole complement. Okay. And this whole complement we can write as, we usually write probability of A complement. This is the formula, isn't it? Probability of A complement is 1 minus P of A. But here in terms of percentage we should give answer. So this one we can take as whole percentage, that is 100%. Okay, then probability of B intersection M, this way we can write, and this is given as 12%, so 100 minus 12 will be 88%. So this is by formula. Okay, and logically also if we see, so 12% students have failed in both. Okay, so remaining means 100 minus 12% will be passed in either subject. Okay, this way also we can solve, and this is by formula. The probability that selected student has passed in maths if it is known that he has failed in bio. This is the question of the conditional probability, but passed in maths. In previous question also we suppose this probability as probability of M complement, isn't it? So we know probability of M is 25%, probability of B is 30%, and intersection is given by 12%. Now probability of passed in maths if it is known that he has failed in bio. So according to the formula it will be P of M intersection M complement intersection B divided by P of B. Okay, and this by formula we can write, if we consider the Venn diagram here, this is M, this is B. Okay, so M complement means this part, this yellow part will come as M complement. Okay, intersection B means only this part will come, red part. So the same set we can write as P of B minus P of M intersection B, isn't it? So this red area we will get here, divide by P of B. So P of B we know 30%, P of M intersection B means 12%, P of B again 30, so it will be 18 by 30, which will be 3 by 5. So C option is correct option. Same question if we want to solve by Venn diagram. Since we know this is M, suppose this is B. Okay, intersection, this part is given by 12. So now probability of M is given 25, probability of B is 30. Okay, so if this is probability of B means the whole circle. Okay, the whole circle here, this whole circle. So if we want to find probability of B only, okay, that means this part only, so it will be 30 minus 12, that is 18. Okay, and this will be 25 minus 12 means 13. So asking the probability of passing in maths, failing, it is known that failing in bio, that means asking the probability of B only. Okay, probability of failing in B only, both are same only. Okay, so now for this what we will take 18. Okay, 18 students are those students which are failing in bio only, and how many total are failing in bio? 30. So directly answer will come 3 by 5. Okay, so using Venn diagram we can answer other questions also. Probability of failing in maths only, that means 13 by 25. Okay, 13 are the students who failed in maths only, out of how many students? 25 students.
And this is the same asking probability of passing in bio given that failed in maths. Okay, both these probability are same only 30 by 13 by 25. The context is different, but we are giving this value only 13 by out of total failed in maths, which is 25. So 13 by 25. So using Venn diagram also we can solve like this.